Hi everyone, this is Katie with DK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our September subscription box. And I do want to let you know as well that we do have some overstock of this box available on our website today, and I'll make sure to put a link below for if you want to grab one for yourself. I am so excited for the fall season, and this September subscription box is just perfect for the beginning of fall. I literally just got a pumpkin spiced drink yesterday on the 22nd from Starbucks, so I am feeling the fall vibes. First, we have the cardstock paper that has the monthly message on the back, and then this shows like a scene that matches with the artwork from the kit. And it's so gorgeous. We have the pumpkin in the bottom right corner, the leaves falling, very picturesque. And so here's the newsletter. It says September Autumn Vibes has landed on your doorstep. As the crisp breeze of September ushers in the beauty of autumn, we're excited to introduce you to this month's subscription theme, Autumn Leaves. Every piece of artwork has been exclusively designed by DEK Designs, capturing the essence of the season's vibrant colors and serene moments. From the warm tones of fallen leaves to the cozy feel of the changing landscape, each item in your kit has been carefully crafted to bring the magic of autumn to your planning. Adorn your pages with richly designed stickers that reflect the golden hues and earthy tones of the season. We hope this collection inspires you to embrace the beauty of autumn in your planning and beyond. Thank you for being a part of our DEK Designs community. We are excited to see your creations. XOXO, Dawn, Emily, and Katie. We also have instructions on how to access the digital papers as well. And then here's the washi tapes for this box. So gorgeous. The colors just melt into one another. We have like green and burgundy and some like purple colors. It's just gorgeous together, and look how well it matches as well with that scene. It's just perfect. And we have rose gold foil on these washi tapes. And next we have the sticky note pad. It's so creamy and watercolory, and it is just gorgeous. I love the background, the marble background, and then we have some of those leaves at the bottom of the page. Next we have the die cut bundle that comes with the subscription kit, one of my favorite parts. So first, we have a fox that's underneath an open umbrella, maybe protecting the fox from some fall rain or from leaves falling from trees. And then we have like a tea kit set, and we have blackberries, so maybe it's like blackberry tea with some leaves behind it, accenting it. And we have a fox next to a tree, and look at those leaves. It's so colorful, so pretty. And then we have a journal with some florals on top of it. Next, we have some candles, and we have those blackberries around it. So they're like berry-scented candles. And then we have the heart date dots and weekend script in rose gold foil. Next, we have the September clear matte stickers script. And then we have the month and the overlay star stickers to put over it. That'd be perfect for your dashboard. And we have some Stormies. She's holding a pumpkin, and she's holding like a leaf. It just goes so well with this kit. And then we have another Stormy sheet, and she's holding some like blackberries in a basket, like she was maybe doing some fruit picking. And that's all the die cuts that come in the bundle. I'm so excited to set up my dashboard with these. Next, I'm going to show you the monthly sticker kit, and this is size for the Hobonichi Cousin Planner, but we do have different size options if you sign up for a subscription. So here's some of the different parts. We have the heart date dots with that rose gold foil again. And then we also have the clear monthly overlay and that foil for September 2024. And then we have some important script that you'd want for the month. And then here's the first page that has the headers where you put the Monday through Sunday, and then the top section portion, and then like a sidebar sticker as well, and some functional boxes. And next we have more functional boxes, and then also just boxes with artwork in it. And you've seen some of this artwork in the die cuts that I showed you. Look at the berry pie and the pumpkins. So cutesy and fall-y. And then this is the final page that has the functional options on it. And we have the script and we have some icons that you may want to use. So this is the monthly kit. And again, it may look a little bit different depending on the size that you do pick to fit well with your planner. Now I'm going to show you our full standard sticker kit that comes with the monthly subscription box. First, I'm going to show you the full pages, the full boxes, I mean. Look at the detail. Look how intricate the foil is and the artwork that Dawn created. This is all exclusive artwork. We have pumpkins. We have like a nice fall top that's hanging at the top in the top box. Top right, we have like a little nook, a little like planning journal nook. And then we have that scene at the bottom with like the house. I love the color of the sky and the double box below with the purple. And here's the next full box pages. Look at that fireplace, and we have that foiled fire inside of it. And we have a stack of journals. We have that like torn pages box design that says take note in foil. And we have that fox, and I love the foiled leaves falling. Next, we have the Fashion Girl boxes. I love their outfits. Look at the cute puppy in the top right. I'm in love. And then the umbrellas just all tying in perfectly. Then we have a couple of full boxes with some foiled sayings inside of it, like Hello Fall and Beautiful Leaves in the Autumn Breeze. We have some Monday through Sunday boxes and then functional boxes below that. And here's a page of functional boxes with some of the artwork icons inside of it to just tie everything together in your spreads. And then we have the 3 bow checklists and then the 3 circle checklist flags as well, for any important things you need to list off and check off during the day. And then we have Monday through Sundays with different fonts and backgrounds for the month. So we have 4 weeks here. And here's some more functional boxes. We have the habit trackers at the top for Monday through Sunday. And we have those designs in the background here. And then here are some flags, half circle stickers, and some bow stickers. And you can see the attention to detail here where we're trying to tie everything together so it just is very cohesive. Next, we have some more like foiled strips on this page, and we can stripped banners as well. Some icons and script at the bottom. This page is one of my favorites. It's just like foil galore accents that you'd want to use. And then we have the sticky note page and kind of like the fun floral shaped functional boxes with that artwork in the background. And then we have our headers and glitter headers with those bold colors so it really stands out. Next, we have the Fashion Girl page. So that's just the various activities and positions and outfits. And we have some leaves too and like little deco pieces throughout that. And then next we have the deco sheet. We have the fox. We have that tree that you saw earlier. Some really cute like maroon hearts, some pumpkins. And everything here is a standard kit. You get a ton of sheets of stickers and it will last you for like the full month. So there's no like guesswork like, what do I want my planner to look like for the week? You can just set it up and have it ready for the month if you use like the subscription. So this right here is everything that comes in the standard subscription box. And if you were to get an overstock box, this is what you would get. We also have add-ons available that I will show you, but I just wanted to show you everything that's in the standard kit first. We have two add-on options that are $10 each. We have the papers, and then we have the journal kit / Hobonichi Cousin kit. So I'm going to show you the journal kit first, and this is perfect for people that use Hobonichi Cousin planners or people that like to journal or even use smaller planners. So we have those full boxes that we saw earlier. However, they're not as wide, so they fit better in smaller planners, and also in the Hobonichi Cousin weekly section, it'll fit. And then we have the glitter headers here in functional boxes at the bottom, but we still have those full boxes that you saw earlier. And here are some like the journal kit aspects. We have some ripped edged pieces. We have the Monday through Sunday on the right side. So just a bunch of like fun journalisty type stickers that you can use in your planner or in your journal if you have like a separate journal. And here is functional sheet that's foiled with different shapes. And next we have the deco sheet, and this has a larger deco on it compared to our standard kit. So it does lend itself more towards journaling. And then this is the full journal kit here, Hobonichi Cousin / journal kit. So you could add this on to your subscription box if you want an extra kind of journal kit. And now I'm going to show you the next add-on, which is the papers. Okay, so here's the papers. Each design has at least 2 sheets of the design, and it's like double-sided. So on this side, we have some leaves and watercolor, like brown background. And on the opposite end, we have some flowers and more like greenery. And we have, so it's double-sided with 2 of the same. Here's the next design with kind of like a length of florals. And then we have more of like a brown striped background here. And then we have the vellum page, which is like a see-through page that honestly looks really good if you put it near your dashboard in your planner. So it's very dynamic with layering. And then the next designs right here, we have more of the maroon color with some leaves that pops out here. And then on the other side, we have like some leaves that are falling down. And then the last design, we have some pumpkins with that maroon cream background. And on the other side, we have like kind of like paint splatter leaves falling. So here are the papers, and this is like a $10 add-on. And here's the Hobonichi Cousin journal kit. And for the papers as well, I do want you to know that you can access these for free online. But if you don't want to like print them out yourself and you just want it done for you, you can do the add-on. So here's our full subscription with also the add-ons, and just look how well it all matches and fits together. It makes my heart so happy when things match well. So again, if you don't want to miss out on the subscription box, we do have some overstock available, so make sure to click the link below in the description to get yours. There are only a limited amount available, so make sure to check that out. And if you don't ever want to miss a subscription box, or if you want it more catered towards you, where you want add-ons or a specific size for the monthly section, make sure to sign up for our next subscription box and to follow us on Instagram or our newsletter to stay updated for when spots do open. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel and supporting us. It means the world to us. Make sure to comment below what you think of this month's box, and we'll see you all again next time. Bye, everyone.